Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan black bean burgers from scratch. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on the hearty black beans that form the foundation. You'll need about 1.5 cups of cooked black beans, along with half a cup of rolled oats or breadcrumbs to bind everything together. Don't forget your favorite spices, like a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of chili powder, to really bring out the flavor. A dash of liquid smoke can add a wonderful, deep aroma. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, mash your black beans in a bowl, leaving some whole for a great texture. Then, add your rolled oats, spices, and any other desired ingredients, mixing everything until well combined. You'll want to form the mixture into about 4 to 6 patties, each roughly 1 inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. For best results, pop them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and prevents crumbling when you cook them. Once your patties are chilled, it's time to cook them to perfection. You have a few great options. For a crispy exterior, pan-fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. If you prefer baking, place them on a baking sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Grilling also works beautifully, giving them a lovely smoky char. Aim for 5 to 7 minutes per side, until they're golden brown and heated through. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade vegan black bean burgers. Serve them on your favorite toasted buns with classic toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and red onion. Don't forget a generous dollop of vegan mayonnaise or a slice of creamy avocado for added richness. These burgers are incredibly versatile. They're fantastic alongside sweet potato fries, a fresh green salad, or even crumbled into a wrap. Get creative and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.